Hey you guys, welcome back. I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and here's all the tombstones. I like those. I like the ones at the bottom that say creepy. But yeah, so I just walked in here and I'm just gonna browse around and see what we can find. Oh, here's some drawstring bags. These are nice. Cool ghouls, spooky time. I like the little pictures on those. And then this one right next to it. Look at that. That's cute. Oh look, she's cute. And then you got that one down there. Oh, they brought back the eyes. This one looks like a snake eye. So you get two of them in there, and then they have the red one with the black thing on the inside. They keep coming out with really cute signs every year. And then this one, oh look at that. The pumpkin is like metal. Okay, I like this one. Lots of garland pumpkins. You got the black ones and the orange ones down there with the sequins on them. Let's see. Danger, keep out. More of the tombstones, chains. And then I like these. You can use these for like wreaths. Like if you're gonna DIY a wreath, you can take that bottom part and break it off and then put the witch's boot upside down on a wreath, and they have that in orange and purple. Those are cute. Oh look, they have some headbands, light up headbands. This one says boo. With an exclamation point on the end. This one is some skulls, and then you got some eyeballs. Okay, in this section, even though I was trying to bypass the Halloween stuff, they got bunny ears and a tail. We saw the leopard one. They got the devil. Look at this. They got the little reindeer. How cute. Look at the tail though. That's funny. And then I see these little witch hat headbands. So you got that one with the veil, that one, and I think there's a purple one back there. So these are headbands. Oh, look at these solar stakes. These are kind of cute. Got the ghost, the little pumpkin, the witch. When it lights up, you'll see the silhouette of the witch. That's cool. And then they have skulls and an eyeball back there. Okay, right here I see a Microfiber Duster Mop Pad, and it looks like that, but then the back looks kind of like this. It almost looks like it's supposed to be on a Swiffer, but it doesn't have like anywhere for you to, you know, put your hand in there and use it to dust or anything. So I guess you just hold it and dust with it. But these would make some cute little things for DIY projects. I'm trying to think of what I would use it for. I'm not sure yet, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna get two. Oh, here's another display of the Ioni Lash Bar. This is a different store too, so they must have just put theirs out because it only looks like there's a few missing of the natural and the rest are full. Oh wow, look at this. This is my first time ever seeing this in Dollar Tree. Electronic nail kit for acrylic or natural nails, for manicure and pedicures, portable, travel size, easy to use. So you get the electronic base holder, one shaping tool, one cuticle pusher, and one buffing tool. That's pretty cool. Oh look, they got another display of some flavored lip balm. Look at all of these flavors. They got Twinkies, Bubble Yum, Jolly Rancher Cherry, Swedish Fish, the Icebreakers, Cool Mint. Wow, Sour Patch Kids, Oreo, oh my goodness. Watermelon Jolly Rancher, the white donuts, the donuts. You got grape Jolly Rancher, Twizzlers. That one was red berry Sour Patch. Now you have the blue raspberry down here. Wow, you got the Hostess cupcakes. And I think that's it for up there. More Oreo and Swedish Fish. And then these down here, they've been having them, which was like the Smushy Mushy and the LOL and the My Little Ponies and the Ninja Turtles. Oh yeah, and Paw Patrol. No, they still have more peach Cheerios. Okay, I've been eating Bugles for a very long time, and this is the first time I've ever seen churro flavor. Cinnamon and sugar. I think I need like 2 of these. And then down here, they also have barbecue flavor. I think I've had barbecue, but I'm interested in that churro flavor. Over here, they got more of the fall cups. I just love those. I think they're so cute. They did put these out as well with the little sleeve on it and the matching top. They say BPA free. You got red, this really nice green, that gray, and that orange. And then up here you got these tumblers. This one has the pumpkins all over it that say gather. That's really cute. I swear these cups are so tempting. You got I love fall most of all on both sides. You got leaves, and I think that's it as far as those. See, and then down here you just have these, and those say BPA free as well, and these are 16 ounces. Look at this display, you guys, of the pretty fall leaves on the cups and the dish drying mat. Right here you got these. This is a returning pattern for Dollar Tree, but I just like how they did the display. You got the bowls, the plates, you got the gold chargers right there, and they have these are cute. Okay, I like those. I might get those just for decor. And they also have the pot holders. Yeah, I think I'll get a set of these. Oh look, they even have these that say grateful. Okay, I've never seen that before. I think I'll get some of these as well. And I almost missed the towels down here. Oh look, they do have the plates to match the pumpkins, but they still have them in this box, and I'm not gonna open them, but that's what they would look like. Oh, look at these contact lens cases. These are kind of cute. That one has the cactus on it. Oh, this is really cute. It says all eyes on me. You got a bunch of those. And then up here you got another succulent with the flowers, and this blue one that says you are magical. Okay, I need one of you guys to help me out. I don't think I've ever seen powdered bleach. I don't know. I don't think I have. But it says it's color safe and it's citrus scent. Definitely new to me. I'm seeing the metallic collection of the hair bonnets surfacing back around. This one is the black and silver. You got the all black one like that, and somebody opened one, so this is what they look like. And this is the black and the silver. I still have mine's. Mine's was black and gold. I actually like it. So they work pretty good. But I only see these right here, and I'm putting that there because that's how I found it. Okay, I think these bags are like summer themed, but I've never seen them, and they are so pretty. I usually don't go down the gifts bag section, but look at that. It has the pretty lemons on it, and you get 2 of them. And then I see that pattern down there and that green one, but that one is just really nice. Okay, you guys, so I am in the candy section, as you can see, where I don't belong. I'm gonna wrap this up and get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Oh my gosh, they got more of the banana candies. I will be getting some more of those because I actually like those. But thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon in my next video. Okay, bye.